What motivates me is the fact and the satisfaction that I get when I can please my guests. It's very important for me to provide what they need. And when they feedback, when I get feedback from them, it is a nice feeling of satisfaction that I provided something that I feel is what they came to our island for. They come to Aruba, one wonderful island, one beautiful, one happy island, and they leave with a feeling of satisfaction. That motivates me for every day to give this excellent service that I hope I'm giving. And as proof of that, I believe, is why I'm here tonight. And I am happy to be receiving this award from the AHATA, who also recognized me. I am proud to be part of the Amsterdam AHATA team. Thank you for this opportunity.